difference do exist actually between risk and uncertainty. So when we are talking about risk in finance, what are we talking about? And when we are talking about uncertainty, so that's what we'll be dealing with. For example, your friend calls you that you should help to pick him or her up from the airport, and you apportion your time to do that. So what is the risk in that? The risk in that is that you wouldn't know whether the flight will be delayed or not, but you are very sure of one thing, that by the grace of God, your friend will arrive. So the risk is that you do not know whether they are going to defer the timing and prolong it, or he or she will come even earlier than expected. So that is a risk. So it's a situation in which there is a chance of loss or gain. Now we are talking about loss of time, gain of time. It could be loss of finance monetarily, or gain of money in monetary value. So that is a risk there. Also, we can look at risk as a subset of uncertainty. Risk can be considered as a subset of uncertainty. So that means that risk is quantifiable and measurable. So, and that is why when we're talking about risk, we talk about probability of occurrence. But when we are talking about uncertainty, we are not sure that it's going to happen, and we could not measure it. So uncertainty could not be measured accurately, while risk is a chance that an investment's actual outcome will differ from the expected outcome. Before I recap the critical information in this difference, it is important that you like, subscribe, and share Teachings Associates channel. By this, you encourage us. So the difference between risk and uncertainty is that risk could be measured, uncertainty could not be measured. From Teachings Associate channel, Bengal Latunji FCA, for those that are joining us for the first time, we are value to life, we are value to your businesses.